Hi all, I wasn't going to do another video before Christmas, but I've just connected up to this incline, so I've done a full circuit, and I just want to show you how I'm quite pleased it works. As I was saying, I've connected up this bottom level, the full circuit now using that incline. I've got 6 coaches at back of Duchess Class City Sheffield there. And she goes up that incline and back round, no problem at all. You can see that water's just about dry now. It's taken what, about 5 days, 6 days. Anyway, I'm just showing you, it goes up that incline, no problem. Like I said, still a lot to do, but we made a start now on this bottom. I was going to bring the track around in front of that, in the front area, but I decided I'm going to go for a tunnel, which made it difficult for myself. I've had to put that track in there, the flexi track as well. I had to put it in there with this top cover on. But I had quite a lot of fun trying to do that. But anyway, it's working well. And as I say, this banking's come out all now with a canal. Anyway, it was just to show you what I'm doing. It's not part of me updates really, it's just to show you that I've got it all working right now.